Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to today's presentation sponsored by the Society of Decision Professionals, which is entitled On Improving Decision Quality in Medical Sciences, or How I Learned to Stop Worrying and Love the Medical Professional.
Here's my first slide where we're going to hopefully go over some of what I've learned in the last 20 years as a medical professional and also dealing with medical professionals in discussing how best to implement decision analytics and modeling. And of course, we have to be a bit careful. If the more we learn, the potentially the more things can be complicated. So I wanted to start with an example of some of the decision analytics that I worked on while I was studying medicine. And kind of a long time ago, back in the early 90s, when we were talking about an approach to medicine which tried to apply all of our best data and knowledge and practices in a bit more rigorous a fashion. And it started in McMaster's University in 1990 and was originally titled Scientific Medicine. However, the physicians who that was introduced to did not like that approach, or that name anyway, because it implied that what they were doing was not scientific. And so therefore it was renamed at that point evidence-based medicine. And what evidence-based medicine did was try to utilize some of the decision analysis techniques that you're all very familiar with, where you start with a pretest probability and then you apply your new information using likelihood ratios and nomograms to calculate the positive and negative predictive value that could then drive your patient care. And physicians at that point still had a very hard time with those concepts, and I think that they still do.